Chesley Ibuos, 22 years old, graduated of Bachelor of Secondary Education in English major. Life in internship is a good experience. My preparation in my final demo is so stressful. But it ended as successful. So happy to celebrate this achievement with these amazing people. Their knowledges and advice that they share is important to me. And as I graduated with awards, I am grateful to my parents who's always be there to support me. And I'm so offering these achievements for them. And of course, I'm so proud for myself to get this degree that I'm always waiting for. But wait, of course, after graduation, you're going to question yourself, what will happen next? Siyempre, ang ina-expect ng iba at ina-expect ng sarili mo is kailangan mong maghanap ng trabaho at dapat magkaroon ka na ng trabaho. Of course, after graduation, I actually do that, which is finding a job. I have so many experience in applying a job. At syempre, inuna ko yung pag-apply as a teacher because I graduated as an edtech student. And I also applied to a company online and on-site. At sa lahat ng mga in-applyan ko, isa lang yung sinabi nila. Tatawagan ka na lang namin. May mga ilan naman na tumawag pero yung iba hindi talaga. And I really accept that I am not qualified for them and they rejected me. And after that, anong naman na-feel mo? Okay na to. Klase.
Ano lang, plain lang.
Dapat yung brown sana. Same price lang. Tanong mo yung same price. Para pag ano, ayun, isang pack ko yan. Sa 1
Dito ay sister. Yan po 5-5.
Ay, 5 yan, pe. Hindi pa nakatong. Mas maganda yun, diba? Hindi ka naman sa black, be. Ba't kakulay niyan? Bukunin mo na. You know guys, sometimes it is okay to ask ourselves kasi it will help us to improve. Pero minsan nagiging sobra na, so it is not good if it is too much. Kaya ayun, so we need to believe ourselves, we need to trust ourselves and also trust God. Siguro kung iniisip man natin na hindi nasasagot yung mga prayer natin, God always answers our prayer in 3 ways. Una, yes, it is for you. Second one, yes, but you need to wait. Or third one, no. Pero hindi ibig sabihin ng negative na hindi talaga para sa'yo. Ibig sabihin, mas may better pa para sa'yo. Ayun yung ibig sabihin ng no. Alam nyo lagi kong mindset, and lalo na nung nag-apply ako ng job, ang dami kong in-applyan. Sinasabi ko, Lord, ibigay mo na to sa akin. If hindi to para sa akin, siguro mas may better pa sa akin. And kung hindi man, kung nangyari talaga na hindi talaga para sa'yo, ibig sabihin, mas may best pa para sa'yo. At least na may natutunan ka, at least tinry mo, and hindi ka nag-give up. Papamuminto muna ako sa paghahanap ng work. Sabi ko, what if ituloy ko yung pagtuturo? So, nag-post ako ng online na nag-offer ako ng tutor. All grade yun, all subjects yung tuturo ko talagang ginawa ko na. Tapos may isa na nag-response. So I'm so happy and I'm so blessed with the parents of the kid. Nasa 5th grade siya, so medyo madali lang din yung tinuturo. And siguro mga 4 to 5 weeks din ako nagturo. Tapos nagpaalam din ako sa bata. Kasi nag-apply ulit ako ng trabaho. Then, yun, when I found a job, I got a job. Pero next vlog pa natin yung pag-uusapan. So I think you learned something about this video, just like a quick update. Kasi lagi naman halos quick update yung mga pinapakita ko sa vlog ko. Yun, let's continue believe and trust ourselves. Kasi I think you're the only one who's creating your future by the help of the people around you and by the help of God.